Maioria sempre na função, na contenção, cuspindo fogo igual Charizard, fazendo papo de...
Well. It's your boy Jeffrey, aka Mr. Lockdown, aka Mr. Mississippi Boy himself. Now, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, become part of the Lockdown family. Emmanuel, that's all I'm saying. Your brother named Phillip, but Emmanuel, spoken. I don't know why you peed off these folks, but they coming at you, bro, for real. If you think they did you wrong on Wild Now, which after I done heard what had happened, and you don't pay me, if I was doing something for you, you don't pay me, all hell gonna break loose every damn way. I don't care how many soldiers you got. But like I said, Emmanuel Hudson and his brother doing the girl anthem, Ratchet. Enough said. I gotta hear this because this came out 2012, 2011, something right up in there, about 8 years ago. But let's get into it. That's Camaro. Oh, hold up. She ratchet for wearing that green ass dress. Yeah, she ratchet right. Why she wearing this grandma dress right here? Look like she came from the 1980 prom. Escalade, bruh. That's an Escalade, pearl white. Oh, that's a Suburban. Ooh, it's nice too. Look at Manuel walking in there like, hey, y'all doing all this hollering for what reason, man? I'm trying to get in the club, man. Time. This nigga, I know this. Oh, calm down, because all the great comedians had to wear a dress. Eddie Murphy wore one. How many? Shoot. Joanna Man. AKA, we got the Mud Deer Clan. These boys straight out ratchet, for real. Then look, they pushing them females out the way. Why is you barking at what's up with the purple hair? You always supposed to match your leg outfit. They gonna beat your ass, EP. That's a tight beat.
Oh my God! Who the house looking like that? Turn up on the salon that
No, she didn't. I mean, no, he didn't.
OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Cause she ratchet.
They said, OMG, what does she got on? Because she ratchet. Then he said her lace front is all wrong because she ratchet. Oh my God.
Give me the phone. I'm finna take this hell for a picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know you ratchet.
Oh, he wrong.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See you ratchet. Boy, pie. Now with them shoes on. He ratchet.
She said you ain't got no paper because your shoes rang. Oh my goodness.
Ooh, what you wanna punch her in her face? I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake. She ratchet.
Man, women do that.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Girl, a baby boy, and it came with a sister.
What?
Yes, I'm pregnant. hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor with no shoes. Where's
If that ain't country, bruh. She pregnant in the club with no shoes on. Oh, they don't do that down here.
I had to get cute today. Apple bottom jean fur boots today. I had to keep it looking good 'cause my
Said had to get cute today. Apple bottom jeans and some fur boots today. Oh yeah, you definitely in the South.
heel hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor with no shoes. Where's I had to get cute today. Apple bottom jean fur boots today. I had to keep it looking good 'cause my baby daddy just made bail. He a thug, he'll shoot today. New baby, need new shoes today. And child support check get two today. Tracks yesterday. Hey girl, did you get the glue today? Don't be feet up. Move, tramp. It's the 15. I got my food stamps.
Hello about the food stamp. It's the 15. I get my food stamp.
New piercing, brand new tack. Paid $95 for this weave plus tax. I ain't gonna watch Spain my thumb. No red hair, this cake alone. I set the track off the back of a rack that's whack. If she ever talk to smack, and she thinks you wrong. Whatever. CLI, my number.
Woo!
Here she come, girl. Shh, be quiet. Hey, girl. How you doing? You better get it. Turn around, let me see who did your sweat. Okay, we'll talk to you later, girl. OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this hell for a picture. Cause she ratchet. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. You know you ratchet. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. See you ratchet. Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. He ratchet. Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. She ratchet. My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Kari.
Facts.
Club is free before we 11. Pre-game, then we party.
Facts.
Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry.
Lit.
Kosher is my future baby daddy. Mari got my jersey dress on.
Hold on. Let's go back.
Yes, I am the baddest, but you can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, cause Kosher is my future baby daddy. Mari got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on.
Hell no.
Dark skin. We don't like them red bones. Duck lip in
You let it go in the mirror, man.
Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If she don't
Hold on. You said Team. I forgot when this came out. Team flip phone. Yeah, everybody running to it like they doing the iPhone, bro. They running to it quick.
follow me on Twitter, I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm
What?
a Team Bad Chick, Team with your man. If
What?
you got a lot of money, then it's Team He Pants. New camera phone go zoom, click. You know what that mean? Bathroom pick. You already know throwing do. Sits with my booty on the sink. I'm too.
The women still doing that.
And even if it is trick, you ain't cute. That's a red hair trick, that ain't true.
Woo.
Trick, that ain't rude. OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm finna take this hell for a picture.
Cause you ratchet.
I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Go you ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
What?
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
Damn.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her
A face.
I can't
A stand her. Ooh, she is fake.
She ratchet. Hold on. Wait a minute. Who you looking
You got an Atlanta jersey on.
at? You wanna do?
I'm thinking this supposed to be a Laker jersey with some purple hair.
Pause. 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 What you wanna do? I ain't got time for this.
Oh, time out.
What's up?
How many women in there, dude? And y'all picking a fight with? Dude, how you swing it? Oh, she on the floor. He ratchet. You know he ratchet. He in there like acting like all cool, like whatever, man. bro, let me leave that right there. I needed something to laugh at. Woo, the reason why I reacted to this because of spoken, whatever his name is, word, associate, sentences, whatever. Man, Emmanuel came on while and down killing this fool, man. I mean, dude hit Emmanuel with, he flew him out with one flight. But when you take this man money and you don't pay this man, and then you try to take his music, talking about it's yours, how you gonna try to take something that you didn't even write? Well, bro, like we said, Mississippi, 101 down Mississippi on lockdown. Peace.